guys. I love the Bombay gin and also the mint leaves. It's not too sweet, not too strong. It's only equal. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To this video, I'm gonna show you how to make my own mojitos cocktail with Bombay. Please watch this. Going to start first is we need an empty glass, and then we need to have a mint leaves, that's what I have in my garden, and lemon or calamansi or any kind of lime you can use, and then ice cubes and a sugar. It's up to you guys how much sugar you want to put it, and of course a Bombay. And then you need to grind the mint leaves very finely, guys, because you can test this one when you put it into the alcohol. I really love this, guys. And then more, I like aroma from the mint leaves. And after that, you need to squeeze the lemon. And that is the first one. You need to put it into the empty glass. You need to squeeze like this, separate the seeds. Yeah. And then after that, you need to put a little bit sugar. It's up to you guys. If you want sweetie, then you can put more, but I want not too much sweetie, guys. We need to stir like this.
Check the mic and make sure it
And then
sounds
after
right,
that, you
boys.
need to put the mint leaves like that. And then you need to stir again. That the sugar is mixed with the mint leaves. And after that, this Bombay is you need to put. It's up to you guys how many shots you want to put it. If you want too strong, you can put more, but for me, I just put only 3 shots. 1, 2, 3, and then another 1, 2, 3, and then you need to stir again. And another 1, and then after that you need to put
It
ice.
sound right, boys.
Yeah, I like more ice, guys. That one. You can estimate it, guys. Depends what you want. And then you need to stir again. The same on another side. Yeah. And then I want to add more ice. And then after that, that's it. You need to put a little bit lemon or calamansi, just a little. Yeah, 1. And then you need to put a little bit design from the mint for good looking. That's it, guys. And welcome to my homemade mojitos cocktail. This is it. Enjoy my homemade cocktail mojitos, and very healthy. And for the beautiful view.
It's nice.
I love it, guys. I love the Bombay gin and also the mint leaves. Not too sweet, not too strong. It's only equal. Very nice.
It sound right, boy.